Meaning of hygiene.
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 Hygiene. Hygiene refers to practices that are aimed at promoting cleanliness and preventing the spread of disease. This can include personal hygiene, such as washing hands regularly, bathing, and brushing teeth, as well as environmental hygiene, which involves cleaning and disinfecting surfaces and objects. Proper hygiene is essential for maintaining good health and preventing illness. It can also help to prevent the spread of infectious diseases and reduce the risk of infection in healthcare settings. Overall, good hygiene practices are an important part of maintaining a healthy and safe environment for individuals and communities.